Hi everyone, my name is Chris, and in this video tutorial I will be showing you how to use OBS Studio software. OBS Studio is a free software for Windows for video recording, camera capturing, image capture and all. So to start with, I will show you how to set up some of the basics of OBS Studio if you're using it for the first time. If you go to the source panel, you just need to press play just to tell OBS Studio what is the source you want to record from. If you're recording a game, you might go for game capture. If you're recording whatever it's on your screen, you might go for display capture. So you press display capture. In my instance, I've already set up mine, but I'll show you how I did it. So you can rename your capture by giving a name, like in this instance we will leave it here, so it's like you're creating a new source, and after doing everything you just press OK, and then it will ask you with in how many monitors are you recording it. If it's like a 2 monitor screen, you'll have a list, but in my instance only one, so that's which is here, 1920 by 1080, and also it will also ask you if ever you want to capture your cursor, like mine is doing right now. If you want your mouse to be appearing in the video you're doing, you can tick this box, or if you don't want it, you just untick it so it won't appear. But in my case, I left mine. I want the viewers to view my mouse, so I left it on, and then I press OK, and so you see I've already set up mine, but if I want that display capture to be here, you can just play around with this up and down button, and OBS Studio will take your preference, which is on the top, which is highlighted. So if you go next, you'll find OBS Studio ask you which sort of audio you want them to be recorded. I have got my handset set up to that recording, so if you want your desktop audio to be recorded, you can just check it on, and you can just there's various sort of properties you can go for, and it will ask you what sort of, if you want the inbuilt recording audio to record your desktop audio, you can select this one, but for me I have left it none. And if you go further down, that's for the handset, and if you go into properties, so this is my microphone selected, which is being recorded right now. You press OK. Going further down, for streaming, for live streaming, you can press here start streaming. If you're doing some sort of live streaming, just press start streaming, it will straight away start for you. In my case, this video has been recorded, so if I press stop, it will stop the recording straight away. And if with the recording I want some sort of my face to be recorded here, I can press the virtual camera, which will record myself next to whatever it's recorded on the screen. Studio mode is meant for if you want to add some text with the recording, if you want to add anything to be appeared on the same recording while you're self-explaining yourself, you can use studio mode, which I have left it for the time being because I'll be editing this video afterwards. And the last one, which is the settings. There is one. It's pretty much it's already set up to the default, but you might go again through. In the general, there's nothing to be ticked or unticked, so I left it as it is. Streaming, I'm not using streaming. For the output, I'm just trying to make sure the output should be MP4, which is which is here. And then for the audio, again, it shows it's connected with my headset, which is good. The video output as specified on the source, if you remember the start of the video, it's matching. It's the I would say HD quality of the output. And the hotkeys, this is one of the tricks where you don't want to, if ever you're doing like a whole screen recording and you don't want again to come back to the OBS Studio frame and then you press stop or start recording, you can set some hotkeys for that, which in my instance I did put Alt and X, which is much easier to my fingers while doing the video. And to stop recording, I installed it like Alt and C. You can change it. It depends like how comfortable you are with your keyboard. And advanced, it's pretty much the same. So when everything is done, you just press OK and you press start recording. That should be all. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video.